this is Kumar Rajput and I am creating my first ever full look tutorial on my channel because I have been creating shorts, but now I am going to do a full format look so that you can learn from me, you can connect with me, and we will have a great session together. So let's dig into it. Bye. It comes to face, we have to start with prepping my skin. I have already spread the toner and I forgot to record it, so I'm going to move forward and I'll be using first of all my makeup exit, that is from Makeup Pack, and I'll be spreading it all over my face. Let it set. Moving forward to it, since it will be a very soft minimal look, so I don't want to lather my face with a lot of things. I just will do a very simple, quick to get and grab wala makeup so that you can do it by yourself and you don't have to put your heads into it कि अब क्या लगाया, ये भी चाहिए वो भी चाहिए. It will be a very simple, and one thing that works well for me, so I'm not going to make it very complex or anything else. It will be a very simple look that you can create at the ease of your home and with the products you have. So for the first thing first, I am sweating a lot because I sweat. And then first of all, I'll be taking this vitamin C serum, which is from Foxtail, and it gives a very good glowing texture on the face, and I love it. So I am just rubbing it all over my face. And we'll be massaging well. And you can already see the glow it's giving, and it's beautiful. So often have you heard that we have to put on things on our face that is from lightweight to heavier. So we consider toner as the lightest, and we go to serums, and then we go to moisturizers. So I'll be using two type of moisturizers because that's how my skin works. Yes, I'm very atrangi kind of person, you can see. So this is a moisturizer glow, this is Super Glow moisturizer by Foxtail, and it has very good texture, and it has little sheen to it. You can see a little shimmer particles. It's not very visible by the naked eye, but it makes the skin glow, so it will be working with its charm to it. And I love applying it. It's like your go-to illuminator which hydrates your skin, doesn't damage the barrier. So you can see the glow is there and we don't have to worry about anything else. And then I'll be layering my face with a good, this is by brightening gel moisturizer by Soulflower, and this has been my favorite. I'm going to restock it again because I can't imagine putting myself without it. It replenishes my skin so well. It's like my skin is very thirsty and it bujhao the water way. So you can see the glow is amazing. It has aloe vera, so it has sticky texture, so that makes that your base will be sticking to your face and it won't move. So massaging it quite well. When we talk about no makeup look, you have to look healthy, glow, and yet very glamorous. Not very glamorous, but at least presentable in a way. So you may find it very, very, very convincing. Since you will be doing all your skincare, you will be taking care of your face and still will be looking presentable. So, and this is what I often do. See the glow is there and our skin is prepped. So let's move towards the other step. I usually am not a fan of primer, and I've learned this in my journey as well. Primer doesn't do much to it, and it will be a very controversial comment, but still yes, but I am an oily skin person, so I'll be applying a little bit of matte primer by Maybelline Fit Me because I tend to get very oily in this my T-zone and it feels very weird after some time. So I am going to mattify this certain portion of mine so that we can have a very stress-free situation going on when it comes to makeup. To my base, and for that I won't be using zillion of products. I'll be using just this palette and a concealer because that concealer is my favorite and I can't skip it. So I'll not be very fancy. I'll be taking just a single brush. Okay, a fluffy brush. And I'll be taking a shade जहाँ मुझे pimple है, you can see on my face, and a little pigmentation over here. मैं वहाँ पर बस अपने स्किन को कंसील के वहाँ पर है जहाँ पे आई माइट फील कि यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा आई नीड करेक्शन, बिकॉज एल्स my base will turn grey and it will like spoil the makeup what I have done. So we'll be waiting for fewer seconds to let it dry and then blend. So until then I'll be moving forward with my favorite concealer by Too Faced in the shade Shine, and I'll be applying it on the higher points of my face, a little bit over here, a little on the bridge of the nose, here down towards my eyes, a little in the cheeks. Love-hate relationship of applying products over here. I really want to keep products over here, but it doesn't work that way, so I have to skip it. I tend to get very sweaty over as less possible product over here. And I'll be using a fluffy brush. I'll not be using anything very fancy. I'll be just using the regular fluffy brush you may find in your brush kit or with yourself, and you just have to blend out the edges. Lighter concealer over that. And I'll be grabbing a blender and I'll be smoothing out the edges. See, I'm not a big fan of blenders. I do prefer the brushes, but on days जहाँ पर मैंने ज़्यादा मेकअप नहीं लगाया and I want everything to like blend seamlessly and I don't have the hassle कि मैं brush भी लूँ blender. For taking a blender and going all over the places I have applied the makeup. So I think this is the ideal situation going on with my face, where I prefer कि ये मेरा skin है, it's little skin through है, skin is peeping through the base, but it still doesn't need a lot of correction. This is the least I am going to do, and then I'll be moving forward with the blush and setting it all. I won't be doing any contouring as such because your girl is skinny and she knows her job. So this is a blush shade from Rico, a random color, and I'll be taking a stippling brush. You can see I have applied it earlier also, and I'm just going to buff it out on my brush, and then I'll be applying it all over my cheeks. Yes. And I'm going a little like higher on the outer parts of my eyes, just to show that there's blood circulation going on and it's not the blush. I know you get it. Like it's all over the internet, everybody knows it. And the outer part of my eye, so that I don't have to apply like eyeshadow base or shadow base. I don't prefer it much. And this is it again, taking the same blender and softening the edges. See, the point is कि it's not important कि मैं full face पे blush लगाऊँ, but I am doing it because I am very skinny, so I want people to like get on the part कि जहाँ पर I am looking fuller. Like I am not very skinny. I am skinny, but I want people to know that I am very skinny by face. And I want to give a fuller look. So अगर आप पतले हैं, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको थोड़ा सा डिमेंशन चाहिए, यू वांट कि आप गड्ढे ना देखकर सब लोग आपके फेस को देखें, तो यू कैन ऐड ब्लश ऑल ओवर द फेस फ्रॉम लाइक cheek bones, higher part of the face, little bit on nose, and blend it all out, and you will get good dimension on your face. I don't know any person who won't love a highlighter, good glowing skin, so I'll be taking one from Rico Strobing Cream, and I'm going to apply it on the higher point of my face with my finger, of course, because I want it to blend a little bit on the like arc of the brows in the inner corner. You don't have to be very perfect about it. You have to go to the places you want the glow to do the magic. So don't get disheartened कि ये कहाँ लगाया, you didn't told us. Just go with your instincts and put it where you want to shine. and I am an oily girl, so I'll be signing everywhere. I hope you get the joke. So this is it. I have applied the highlighter, blush, base, whatever you may say, and then I'll be going to like set it with my makeup pencil. And I will let it sit on my face अच्छे से, and I'll let it dry, and until then I'm going to do my brow. So I'm not in a mood of a full blown eyebrow situation, since I have a very good groomed eyebrows that is very dark. So I'll be just fanning out the hair strokes and will applying a very brunette kind of shade on my brows, so that it doesn't look very highlighted and it looks very subtle. I know a lot of people who puts really good mascara on their eyes to like fan out their eyelashes. Each strokes very finished, and I'm trying to do it because I am a very lazy person when it comes to do makeup on myself. So I'm just applying the first coat of mascara, like jiggling my way from the ends to the outer corner, and little on the lower lash as well. So I'll be applying this K Beauty ka banana shade. Just of powder, not much. First thing first, Beauty banana powder on the T-zone of my face, where I tend to get very oily, and this is especially the center part of my face, my chin, and near my eyes. And here a little bit I'm just dusting off the remaining powder, whatever is in the brush, so that we have that effect. And that's that. You don't have to do much. One thing that I really like to do is applying this beautiful multi-stake in the shade Dazzling Peony by ELF Cosmetics, and it's beautiful on the days जहाँ पर आपको सिर्फ don't want to put highlighter, you don't want to put blush, but yet you want to look very subtle. So what I do is I apply it on the higher part of my cheeks towards my temple, and I blend it out. See, there's a very beautiful sheen to your face, and it shapes the color. And what else you would need? Like it's the ultimate go-to. Like this should be your must-have essential. And I have applied it, as you can see, beautifully on the outer part of my cheeks. Whatever remaining is on my brush, I'm just brushing it, fanning it out on the other parts of my face where I applied blush. And I think I'm done. I don't need much of it. I am literally done. I'll be applying a lip liner with a little bit gloss, and I won't need much of it also because the work is done. I don't want to like spray a lot of thing on my face. So let's decide what kind of lipstick we are like planning on to. I am feeling a very matte yet very sophisticated soft pinch of colors, not glossy or anything. So let me find something. So since it's a no makeup look and it's a very affordable one, I'll be taking this liner from Swiss Beauty in the shade Nude 003, and I've used pretty much all of it, and I'll be applying it. So just on the actual lip I have this thin. I don't want to like go overboard with this, and this is a very neutral brown kind of lip liner. And then I'll be applying this lipstick from Zudio in the shade Blush Nude 02, and this is a very beautiful color, smells amazing. And just on the center part of my face. See, I love that lipstick which is very like, if I'm not dolling up, I want my lipstick to be very nude, neutral, and very like blended out. I don't want to complicate my lipstick. Like I want on regular days, I want my lips to be very diffused. So this is that sort of look. So I'll be blending out with a very pencil kind of brush. I'm pretty sure this is the lip color, you guys would love, because this lipstick sort of is for 99 bucks only, and this lip liner cost you for less than 50 rupees. And who would not love this combo? Like, this is a sure hit, so you should also try. So this is my no makeup look. So let me know your views in the comments, and I'll be coming with more such looks. So I love this look. Let me know your views in the comment section. I would love to see your comments and love. Bye. Please show your love, heart, and like, share, subscribe if you would love this tutorial. Bye.